Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to USDT has increased by -6.66% to 68,245.71 from yesterday, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -2.76% to 3,627.76, and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -5.52% to 418.4.
Latest news.
SEC postpones decision on spot Ethereum ETF applications by BlackRock and Fidelity. Ethereum price continues to surge as SEC delays decision on Ethereum ETF. According to sources, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has once again delayed its decision to approve or deny the applications for spot Ethereum exchange-traded funds, ETFs, submitted by BlackRock and Fidelity. This comes weeks after the agency approved several Bitcoin ETFs that have since gained significant traction. On March 4, the SEC announced it would postpone the decision for BlackRock's iShares, Ethereum Trust and Fidelity's Ethereum Fund. BlackRock's initial application was filed in November, with the federal regulator delaying its decision 2 months later, citing the need for additional time to review. Although a new decision deadline was set for March 10, this date has been discarded, as revealed in the agency filing. The growing interest in spot Ethereum ETFs is becoming more pronounced as Bitcoin approaches a new all-time high, largely fueled by the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs, which recorded $1.84 billion in inflows within a week. The anticipation of a similar trend for Ethereum, which has recently achieved its highest price in over a year, is generating high demand. However, not all analysts are convinced that a spot Ethereum ETF will mirror the performance of its Bitcoin counterparts. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balcones mentioned that he and Seifert would soon publish formal odds on an Ethereum ETF approval, but referred to the yet unapproved ETH funds as small potatoes compared to Bitcoin-based funds. Ethereum's price has been mirroring the broader market's optimism over potential approval, with a 62% 52 increase over the past month. This rise continued even after the SEC's announcement of the delay. As of the latest CoinGecko data, Ethereum is trading at $3,691.84, marking a 4.9% Fudindio increase over the last 24 hours. The potential approval of an Ethereum ETF could further fuel the demand for Ethereum and potentially lead to a surge in its price. EigenLayer surpasses Aave in total value locked, raising questions on TVL metrics. EigenLayer surpasses Aave in TVL terms, becoming second largest protocol. Blockworks reports that the total value locked (TVL) of risk-taking protocol EigenLayer has surpassed that of popular decentralized finance protocol Aave, making it the second largest protocol via TVL. This comes after EigenLayer's decision to temporarily remove deposit caps on its network. At the time of writing, the TVL for EigenLayer sits at $11.24 billion, while the TVL for Aave is at $10.7 billion, according to information available on DeFi Llama. Commentators have raised questions about whether or not staking, or liquid staking, should be included in a protocol's TVL if staked native assets are generally not included in the count. On Aave, TVL incorporates the total amount of tokens deposited into a smart contract and used as collateral to borrow and earn yield, while borrowed coins are not included in the TVL to prevent inflated the TVL. However, on EigenLayer, users can participate in securing the network and earn extra rewards by depositing already native staked ETH or liquid staked ETH into the network's smart contracts and subjecting them to slashing conditions. Carlos Mercado, a data scientist at Flipside, told Blockworks that TVL is designed to be an economic way to measure participation. He notes that it is important to differentiate between native assets such as ETH from synthetic versions of the same asset, like wrapped ETH or staked ETH. If you don't adjust for this, you get into an issue of inflating the chain's TVL, since the same token can be counted multiple times over, Mercado said. This logic can also be applied to protocol-specific TVLs, he said. Renu Kong, research analyst at Blockworks, notes that TVL has historically been used as a metric to measure the total amount of assets in a smart contract. One could count staking contracts with withdrawal credentials pointed towards EigenLayer's contracts as a version of smart contracts, and thus EigenLayer TVL would count as TVL in the common sense, Kang said. The move by EigenLayer to remove deposit caps has sparked debate among users and experts alike. While some argue that staking should be included in TVL, others believe that it is important to differentiate between native assets and synthetic versions. The future of TVL and restaking protocols is uncertain, with many predicting that the protocol landscape will continue to evolve and change over time. Pro-crypto attorney John Deaton challenges Elizabeth Warren in 2024 Massachusetts Senate race. Crypto Potato reports pro-crypto attorney John Deaton is set to challenge Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren in the 2024 Senate race. Deaton's campaign has received financial backing from Cardano's founder, Charles Hoskinson. Deaton, an outspoken advocate of the sector, is a prominent attorney representing thousands of XRP investors in Ripple's lawsuit against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. If elected in November, Deaton has promised to work for the working and middle classes, tackle inflation, solve the migrant crisis, and help the little guy. Name, email, phone. Bitcoin, BTC, drops below 64,000 USDT with a 3.97% 0.97 decrease in 24 hours. Bitcoin falls below 64,000 USDT as trade volume decreases. On March 5, 2024, 18:52 p.m. UTC. According to Binance Market Data, Bitcoin is currently trading at 63,882.789063 USDT, with a 3.97% 0.97 decrease in 24 hours. Optimism's native token, OP, surges past all-time high, all holders in profit. The surge in the value of OP, the native token of Optimism, has left holders in profit as the platform continues to grow in popularity. According to Crypto Potato, over 1 million addresses holding OP, including those acquired at $4.01, are currently in the money. The platform's roll-up technology has helped it bundle large amounts of transaction data into digestible batches, making it cheaper to use compared to Ethereum. OP has seen significant growth in recent months, staying afloat as one of the top performers among large-cap altcoins. The token's market cap has increased to $4.48 billion, making it the 27th largest by this metric, and it has seen a 44% increase in the past month and a yearly rise of 82%. The Optimism network is witnessing increased developer activity, with the release of its Bedrock hard fork, which enables the creation of a superchain comprising multiple blockchain networks that share the same software for increased security and interoperability. The latest surge in the value of OP supports analyst speculations that the crypto market may be at the onset of an altcoin season. Cardano's ADA price surges 50% in a month, hits two-year high. Cardano's ADA experiences a 50% price increase and reaches nearly two-year high of 72 cents, according to Crypto Potato. Analysts predict further gains in the coming months. The recent upswing in ADA's price coincides with a rising total value lot, TVL, on the Cardano network, which could be a sign of stability. However, the relationship between TVL and price is not always directly proportional. Jupiter trading platform struggles amid Bitcoin market volatility. Jupiter, an on-chain derivatives trading platform, experiences technical difficulties during high volatility in the Bitcoin markets. Users report failed trades and liquidated positions, while the platform assures them that their funds are safe. However, traders on the platform's Discord server claim they are losing SOL to trades that are not going through. The platform's infrastructure for tracking crypto prices faced issues, but users are assured that failed position funds are returning to their wallets shortly. On-chain trading platforms like Jupiter rely on oracles or price data feeds to manage their operations, but these can falter during periods of high volatility, leading to a cascade of issues. Tuesday's volatility in the Bitcoin markets, with the cryptocurrency reaching a record high above $69,000, only to drop about 5% within minutes, created such a situation. Other assets, including SOL, followed the market leader's record-setting pump and subsequent crash. Euler set to launch V2 lending platform with enhanced features and flexibility. Lending platform Euler to launch V2 in second quarter following $200 million exploit. BlackRock reports that Euler, a lending platform, is preparing to launch V2 in the second quarter of this year, following a $200 million exploit in 2021. The new version introduces a modular design, including the Euler Vault Kit, EVK, for developers to customize lending vault designs, and the Ethereum Vault Connector, EVC, a tool for connecting ERC-4626 vaults with various smart contracts. Euler's co-founder, Michael Bentley, stated that V2 will offer more adaptability, freedom, and flexibility for users than its predecessors. Bentley explained that Euler V2 allows users to create decentralized, permissionless, non-custodial credit markets with risk-reward tolerance suitable for them and their users. An interesting feature of Euler V2 is the ability for users to tap into pre-existing vaults from elsewhere in the Euler ecosystem. This allows for more capital efficiency for lenders, as they can lend out their collateral while using it as collateral, a process known as rehypothecation. The public codebase for EC has been live since January and has undergone extensive audits, with a $200,000 bounty prepared for those who can identify bugs. The EVK codebase is currently going through a round of audits, with a formal verification and security review expected to follow. Euler V2 has been in development since before the exploit in March last year, and the experience with Euler V1 taught the team valuable lessons about the need for flexibility and scalability. The Euler community governance is currently determining the next steps for relaunching V2 and incentivizing users to return to the platform. Arizona Senate advances resolution for state retirement funds to consider Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin spot ETF net inflow of $92.3 million in February. Xinhao Arizona State Senate passes resolution encouraging state retirement fund managers to consider Bitcoin ETFs. Xinhao ASRS and PSPRS to create report on feasibility, risk, and benefits of digital asset ETFs. Xinhao 94% of state and government pension plan sponsors reported investing in crypto, but U.S. Department of Labor warns. Xinhao new Bitcoin spot ETFs provide accessible on-ramp for pension plans. Xinhao other pension funds, such as Houston's firefighters and Fairfax County police officers' retirement system, have already invested in crypto. Coinglass report, market witnesses $216 million liquidation in last 4 hours. Coinglass reports a $165 million impact on cryptocurrency liquidations in the past 4 hours, with long-order investors accounting for the majority of the figure. The sudden market swing saw a net inflow of $92.3 million for the U.S. Bitcoin spot ETF on February 29th. Crypto staking and infrastructure leaders commit to securing stacked blockchain. Stacks Consensus joins 8 new organizations to secure stacked blockchain and bring staking, NFTs, and other functionality to Bitcoin, BTC. New organizations, including Blockdaemon, Near Foundation, The Spread, Luxor, Chorus One, Kill, Restake, and Allen Labs, have joined Stacks Consensus to secure the stacked blockchain. Stacks aims to bring staking, NFTs, and other functionality to Bitcoin. These new companies join existing groups such as Copper, Figment, Luganodes, Aeters, and Rider, as well as the network's community stacking pools and individual stackers. Stacking is part of the proof of transfer consensus mechanism that helps secure stacks. Stackers, who are STX owners that choose to lock away their tokens for yield, periodically earn BTC invested by Stacks miners. With the upcoming Nakamoto upgrade, stackers will also sign and validate blocks, further securing the blockchain. This upgrade will establish a trustless two-way peg for bridging base layer BTC to and from the Stacks network. Andre Serrano, SBTC resident at the Stacks Foundation, said that the addition of these signers demonstrates a commitment to fostering greater decentralization of the Stacks network and unlocking new use cases for Bitcoin. Stacks trades for $2.83, up by 50% over the past month. In December, the token's value increased after receiving a public endorsement from billionaire Tim Draper. BNB drops below 410 USDT with a 2.32% 2.32 decrease in 24 hours. Binance market data reports that BNB has dropped below 410 USDT with a 2.32% 2.32 decrease in 24 hours. US Bitcoin spot ETF experienced a net inflow of $92.3 million on February 29th. Osprey Bitcoin Trust considers sale, merger, or liquidation. Osprey Bitcoin Trust exploring strategic alternatives, including selling itself or merging with a Bitcoin ETF. If unsuccessful, plan to liquidate and dissolve the trust within 180 days. Gained prominence as a strong competitor to Grayscale's larger GBTC fund, which converted into an ETF this year. Osprey even filed a lawsuit against Grayscale, alleging deceptive claims about the ETF conversion being a foregone conclusion. Osprey has not yet responded to requests for comment.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all a wealthy and profitable journey in the world of cryptocurrencies. May your investments grow and thrive, and may you always find the right opportunities to make your money work for you. Cheers!